Good morning, class 1. So, class 1, hope you all are fine, children. You're doing your studies well. Okay, doing your work. Okay, looking the videos, learning every day, reading the books. See, children, you all are very small. Okay, so slowly, you should learn the question answers. Okay, whatever I have given you in computer. Okay, so that you will remember everything. And children, you know your computer is very easy and it has a very few chapters only. Okay, so you can learn it very properly. Slowly you can learn, you can write it down, you can give to your parents to ask. Okay, so in that way you can learn very properly. Okay, children, so you see, so we are discussing about the chapter 6, that is your computer keyboard. Okay, so in the last class, children, I have discussed about cap lock key. Okay, so you see we have talked about which key, children? Okay, caps. Okay, so children, about which key we have discussed here? We have discussed about cap lock key. Okay, now see why this cap lock key is used. This cap lock key is used to type capital letter. So whenever we want to type capital letter, children, we have to press cap lock key. Okay, so this key is available on your keyboard. Okay, on your keyboard the key is available, so that key is called cap lock. Okay, it is called what? Cap lock key. So children, what is the use of cap lock key? Cap lock key is used to type capital letters. So when we want to type capital letter, we have to press cap lock key. Okay, children, now see, so it is present on the left side of the keyboard. So when you see the keyboard, your left hand side you see, so your cap lock key is on the left side of the keyboard. So children, in which side? You can see on the left hand side. So left hand side of your keyboard you will get which key, children? You will get cap locks key. So like this, it will be written on the key cap locks. Okay, so this cap lock key is used to type capital letters. Okay, children, you know capital letters, like you have learned in junior classes. Okay, small letter, capital letter. So whenever we want to type capital letter, so in that particular time we have to press cap lock key. So this cap lock key will help us to type capital letter. Okay, now how you will type? Okay, what will happen when you type? So children, so on the keyboard, just I'm drawing it roughly. Okay, children, now you see on the keyboard, so your cap lock key. Okay, so you can see the cap lock key. So cap lock key is always on the left hand side of the keyboard. So it is on the left hand side. I'm just writing caps lock. So suppose this is your cap lock key. When you will press, children, cap lock key, what will happen? Okay, a light glow on the top of the right corner of the keyboard. So this is your right side. Okay, on the right side, on the right corner of the keyboard, a small light will glow. Glow means, you know, it will become on. Okay, children, so you see at home also, when you switch on the light, what happened? The light glow. Okay, same way when you will press this cap lock key, so here on the right hand side on the top, okay, corner of your keyboard, a small light will glow. Okay, glow means, children, it will become on. You can see small light. In some keyboard it is green color, in some keyboard it is red in color. Okay, so you see that particular light will glow. Now, so that means what? So what does it indicate? So when you will press this cap lock key, a light will glow. So this indicates that your keyboard is ready. Okay, that means you are ready. Now if you type, so the letters will be typed as a capital letter. Okay children, what is the proof that you have pressed cap lock key? So when you press the cap lock key, a small light will glow. Okay, a very small light will glow. Okay, small light will glow. So it can be red color, it can be green color. Okay, according to the keyboard children. So you see when the light will glow, you have to understand, yes, now if I type the letters, okay, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever you will type. Okay, so on your monitor screen, okay, on your monitor screen, that particular words will be typed. Suppose I am typing, suppose here A is there, so I am typing A, so capital letter A will come. If I am typing, okay, Q, so Q will come. If I am typing Y, okay, Y will come. So you see, so when the cap lock key we will press, so what will happen? A small light will glow on the top, okay, corner, right side top. Okay, a small light will glow. So this will show that our cap lock key is on. That means whenever you will press the key, okay, press the alphabet key, you will see everything will be written in a capital letter. Okay, all the words you require will come in a capital letters, students. Okay, so press the cap lock key again, the light goes off. Now suppose you have typed capital letter, so again when you press the cap lock key, the light will get off. Off means, you know children, there will be no light. Okay, when there will be no light, that what does it mean? It means that your cap lock is off. And then when you will type the word, okay, it will come in small letter A, B, C, whatever you will type. Okay, so when light is off, when you will type, when you will press the alphabet, so it will come in a, okay, on the monitor screen it will come in a small letter. Okay, and whenever you will press the cap lock key and the light will be on, it will come in a capital letter. Okay, it will come in a capital letter. So children, when you will press the key once more, what will happen? The light will glow off. So when the light will go off, okay, what will happen children? You can write in small letters. So at that time when you will type the keys, okay, when you will type whatever the keys are there, so it will come in a small letter. Okay, and when the light is on, it will type in a capital letter. Okay, it will type in a capital letter. Okay, now see, so look, after pressing the cap lock key, you can type the capital letter. So you see, okay, whenever you want to write capital letter, what you have to do children? You have to press cap lock key. So if you want to type capital letter, okay, so at that time you have to press cap lock key. Okay, and if you don't want to type capital letter, so you just again you press once more, you press the cap lock key, the light will be off. At that time when you will press the key, alphabet key, okay, at that time you can see that small letter word will be, okay, will be written on the monitor screen. Okay, so this will help you, okay, to write capital letter and small letters. Okay, so you see, when you, again I am saying children, if you want to write a capital letter, what you have to do? You will press cap lock key. When you will press the cap lock key, you will see small light will glow. Okay, it will become, light will be on. When the light is on, what does it mean? It means now you can type. Okay, capital letter, your keyboard is ready. Okay, so when you will type, at that time it will come in capital letter. Okay, it will come in capital letter. So you see, when you will press the cap lock key, the light will be on, that light will glow. So at that time you can type capital letter. Now if you want to write small letter, so what you will do? You will press the cap lock key, so your light will be off. Okay, when there will be no light, at that time when you will type, it will come in a small letters. Okay, it will come in a small letters. Come in a capital letter. Okay, first it will come in a capital letter, and then once more, okay, when you will press the cap lock key, the light will be off, okay, at that time you will see there will be a small letter. So when the light is on, it will become capital letter. When the light is off, it will become a small letter. Okay, so these are the systems that we do it with the help of your cap lock key. Okay children, so once more we are doing, I'll say you. So cap lock key help us to type capital letter. Okay, so it is present where? It is present on the left side of the keyboard. Where it is present? It is present on the left side of the keyboard. Okay, and when you press the cap lock key, the light will be on, and what you can do at that time, you can type capital letter. Okay, and once more when you will press the cap lock key, the light will be off. At that time you can type small letters. Okay, so you see, these all you will keep in your mind, how you can type capital letter, how you can type small letters. Okay, so this was about your cap lock key. Okay, now let's do about backspace key, children. Okay, so children, now we are going to talk about backspace key. Okay, so you see backspace key this is also one of the key that are present in your keyboard. Backspace. Okay. Now see, what is your backspace key? So you see, in copy when we write something, we do mistake, children. So at that time what we use? We use eraser. Okay, we use eraser to rub it. Okay children, so whenever you're writing at home, okay, anything you have written and it is wrong, so what you will do? You will keep as it is? No. What you are going to do? You will do correction. How you will do correct? You will cut and again you will write? No. Okay, you will take out your good eraser and you will rub it. Okay, and again you can write the correct spelling. Now, so you see, in computer we cannot take our eraser and rub on the computer screen. Okay, so there should be something. If suppose we are typing and any word is mistake, so how can we correct it? How can we remove that? Okay, so you see, so with the help of backspace key we can do it. Okay, so you see, you can erase whatever you have typed by pressing the backspace key. So you can press this backspace key, and if you don't want to write, you want to rub all, so you can rub everything. Okay, you can erase everything. So backspace key erase anything type on the left side of the cursors. Okay, suppose you have typed any wrong, so it will erase from the left side of the cursor. So in your book one example is given. Suppose by mistakenly you want to write computer spelling, and you have to write computer, CMPUTR, computer, and you wrote as a computer, RR double. So press the backspace key once to correct your mistake. Okay, please look at the blackboard. Suppose this is your computer. Okay, this is your computer. Now children, suppose you want to write the spelling of computer, COMPUTERR. Suppose you have done double R. So children, what happens? It became a mistake. So it won't be double R, it will be single R. Okay, so you see it will be one R only, 2R it became. So to erase it, now we cannot take a eraser. Okay, you have an eraser in a geometry box. You cannot take out and erase it on the computer screen. No, it cannot be done so. Okay, so what you will do, children? Okay, you know your cursor will be here only, a blinking line. So what you will do to correct this, you will press the backspace key. When you will press the backspace key, what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Your one word, okay, once if you press, your one word will get erased. Okay, this word will get erased. So now it will become correct. COMPUTER, computer. Okay, now it will get erased. So it became what? It became computer. So children, so to correct the words, okay, how to erase, how to rub that word. Okay, so we use which key, children? We use backspace key. So backspace key is used to erase the wrong words. Okay, if you have done any mistake, you can correct it by pressing the backspace key. So if any mistake is there while you're typing, so what you do, you press the backspace key. So from the left side, okay, it will start erasing it. Okay children, so it's quite interesting. Okay, so how we use eraser in our copy? On the keyboard we have backspace key to rub, okay, to correct the spelling from left side. Okay, from left side of the cursor, always keep in your mind. Okay children, so we have completed this all. Okay, your chapter 6 is over. You all will go through whatever work I will do, whatever work I will assign you, you all will do it properly. Thank you for today.